Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project videos. This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project Circuit to Protect Appliances, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. You will get to see the project working in action. Seeing that this project works would give you the confidence to invest your time and energy in developing it. Let me explain key parts of the project that you will learn more about while working on it. Let's start. This circuit protects your appliances from differing voltages. Normal voltage is usually defined between 190 and 230 volts, where we see the appliance working. But as voltage is increased to more than 230 volts or decreased to less than 190 volts, this circuit disconnects the main power supply to protect the appliance. The key components we would need are step-down transformers, rectifier diodes, potmeters, capacitors, and the relevant electrical appliance. Interested in making this DIY project? Refer to the URL given below for the complete circuit diagram and detailed project overview. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel to receive alerts when we publish more of these DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.